What's up, YouTube? I'm going to take you around a amazing 1976 C-10 Centennial Edition Chevy truck. It is amazing. There's only a few of these things out there still anymore. So it's a pretty rare truck. Let's walk around it and check it out. It's got all the original motor, transmission, suspension in it, paint, interior. The guy's dad drove the truck daily. It said on the sign for like 8 years. Then they parked it and pulled it out of the backyard in 2020. And now he said he drives it all the time as a father-son rebuild. So let's do a walk around and check it out. It's a pretty cool truck.